To make mango salsa, peel and small dice of fresh mango and add 225 grams to a mixing bowl. Add 40 grams diced onion and 10 grams of very finely diced jalapeno pepper. When working with hot peppers, it is a good idea to remove the seeds, but if you want to turn up the heat, leave them in. When working with hot peppers, it is a good idea to wear gloves because the chili juice can irritate the skin or cause extreme pain if it gets into an open cut or into your eyes. Then add a finely diced clove of garlic and a bunch of chopped cilantro. Squeeze in the juice of a lime and season with salt and pepper. Then mix well to combine and transfer to a mason jar. Screw on the lid and shake the jar to help mix the salsa every time you serve it. This recipe makes about 2 cups or 500 milliliters. Then allow the ingredients to mature together for an hour before serving. Stored in the refrigerator, a fresh mango salsa will be at its best for a couple of days.